Holly Willoughby has revealed that her dog Bailey wrecked her hoover, just hours after she had given it a deep clean. The presenter, 41, posted about the unfortunate incident on Instagram earlier this evening, sharing the experience with her 7.6 million followers on the social media platform. It came just hours after the Dancing on Ice co-host had revealed to fans that she was having a productive morning cleaning her Dyson hoover, calling it a high glamour day. She had posted a photo earlier of her vacuum cleaner lying disassembled on a tea towel on the kitchen floor, with the This Morning host having seemingly cleaned each part. However, she later posted an update with her followers, in which she revealed that in an unfortunate turn of events, her dog Bailey had targeted the newly cleaned appliance. Holly shared a photo of her golden retriever lying on the floor alongside broken pieces of her hoover, posting the staff just a couple of hours after she had cleaned it. It showed the pooch, who was welcomed into the family in November last year, looking towards the camera, with fans later teasing that Bailey looked guilty in the photo. Do you enjoy reading about celebrities? Sign up for all the best celeb news from the Mirror here. Holly wrote in the caption of the post, Dyson update, my dog ate my hoover. It has attracted 58,000 likes on the platform and prompted more than 2,000 comments. This included a few comments by fans teasing that it meant she can't clean the house as much. One of them had written, OMG. Good way to get out of hoovering. Others took to the comments section to mention Bailey, with one writing, look at her gorgeous face. You can't be mad at her. Another said, that face says not guilty. Sorry but I don't believe something so cute is capable of carrying out such destruction, said another. Whilst a fifth follower had said, that guilty face is absolutely adorable. Several followers instead shared similar stories of dogs causing problems at home, with one stating, mine's chewed through my hoover cable while it was plugged in. My dog ate my hoover too when he was a puppy.